Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn about the map function, the built-in map function. And it is very, very handy. So let's just jump into it. I'm going to show you two ways to use it. So let's just look and see what let's see what map does. So alright, it's a pretty good function. It takes a function and an iterable, and as we learned yesterday with our splat, or our operator, to take multiple items. So whenever we see this, just a reminder, they can take more than one. So okay, you see you got your args, and we haven't done that one, so we're just going to stick with args. So what the premise is it says function. So let's create a function. And what the premise is last video we had grades. So let's say we need to move everybody up up a grade level. So we just create function, take in, and since we need to create it, we need to use return and +1, and I left out a very important thing. So we are just going to use grades and 6th, 7th, 7th, and 8th. So now a new grade, and what this does, we will see if I can type correctly. So now, yeah, let's do this. So map, then the reminder, this is our docstring, gives the function, so add, then we give it the iterable, and then we run it, right? And this should be perfect, and it should come out great, and it should add 1, and everything's going to be awesome. Nope. Creates a map object. So what do we need to do when we have, if you remember from our zip object, what do we have to do? We have to wrap this in our list function. So let's do this again. And we call our new grade, ta-da, and as you see, everybody moved up 1 grade. So we have 7th, 8th, 8th, and 9th grade. So now, let's just do this so we don't have to call this every time. So now, let's do this another way. This is like our, anybody remember what this is like? This is like our sorted function. It can take another function like last when we did that. So alright, new grade, and we are going to comment this out. Anybody have any guesses what we can do in place? Anybody have it yet? Not map, but map. Lambda. We're going to use the lambda function. Lambda. There we go. X plus 1. Close that out. Then grade. And close that out again. And let's see if I did everything perfect. Ta-da, lo and behold, here we go. So, and then if I call grade, oops, didn't have my cursor in the right spot. Grade, it's still, this is still here. So, this is the built-in map function. Can be very, very handy, and here are 2 ways to use it, with a function or a lambda function if you're choosing. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because we have videos every single day and I don't want you missing one of them. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.